For the first time ever, cryptocurrency exchanges are sending your trades to the IRS. You probably already got emails from each cryptocurrency exchange that you use sending you a new form called the 1099 DA. And you're probably wondering, what do I do with this? I'm Duca, the founder of Awaken, and we've made a very easy flow to help you reconcile your 1099 DAs. In this video, we're going to cover three things. First, what is the new 1099 DA form? Second, how does it actually impact your taxes? And third, how can you automatically handle this inside of Awaken? So first of all, what is the new form 1099 DA? So you're going to receive one of these from each of the cryptocurrency exchanges that you use, and it's going to report your gains and losses, as well as the trades that you've done throughout the year. Now, the important thing to note is, if you've used a wallet in addition to an exchange, it's going to be missing your cost basis. So it's going to overinflate your gains. But we're going to show you how to solve this in Awaken later on in the video. So second of all, what does this mean for your taxes? So the 1099 DA has incomplete information, and that's what's sent to the IRS. You need to send an 8949 to the IRS that completes this information by providing your cost basis, but still matches the original 1099 DA proceeds. And this is what a software like Awaken will help you do. So if you're new to Awaken, first you have to connect all of your accounts, and we'll automatically import and categorize your transactions for you. And then once all of that data is good, you'll navigate to our taxes page, and you'll start our for US users only new tax form flow, which will help you handle your 1099 DAs. So once you're in the US tax form section, we separate out your on-chain transactions from the 1099 DA transactions. And you may have noticed incorrect transactions on your 1099 DA form, and this is where you fix that. So we're gonna click Start. So once you click Start, you're going to drag the 1099 DA PDF that either you should have been emailed or is available for download inside of your centralized exchange and upload that to Awaken. Awaken's SOC 2 compliant and all files are encrypted at rest. So after you've uploaded your 1099 DA, we'll automatically start parsing your transactions, and you'll be able to correct anything that looks off. And the whole point of this entire flow is to get a 8949 that matches the proceeds of your 1099 DA, but then corrects all of the missing cost basis. So after that, you'll click Next, and you'll see the proceeds comparison between what the 1099 DA is reporting and what Awaken is reporting. And there's two important things here. The first is to make sure that the proceeds of your 1099 DA and the proceeds of Awaken match. And if they don't, we'll automatically surface suggestions for how you can make those numbers match. And the second is to review your cost basis, given that the 1099 DA will often be missing cost basis if you've ever transferred between a wallet and an exchange. And once you do all of this, your actual gain and loss should be correct. And you're going to click Next in order to generate a corrected 8949 that you will submit to the IRS. So at this point, your reports are ready for download. So you can download them and either send them to a CPA or use them in TurboTax to file. And if you have questions, you can always message customer support and we'd be happy to help you.